Query from EasyAsk. Query provides the most intelligent, intuitive user interface enabling seamless natural language query. In other words, we allow users to ask questions in English and get the right answer, period. Let's take a look. The first thing that Query does, once we've connected to the business intelligence, CRM, or other data, is to provide a metadata map, and that's here. This provides the application development team with a clear visual representation of the data. We can then adjust as needed, creating additional data joins and views if necessary. Query then connects to the data and builds dictionaries and synonyms of the data. We can then start asking questions instantly. The user interface can be displayed as a simple search window on any page or as a mobile voice-enabled microphone icon on your smartphone. We're now looking at the Query Studio page, and we can start asking some questions, right? But first, important to note that we display sample questions, similar reports, right? Type ahead based on the questions that we're asking as we type, charting options, and much more. In the sample application, we're connected to a chain of furniture store data, so we'll ask a few questions. Let's begin. Say, show categories. And as you can see through type ahead, remember all the questions that we've asked on a similar concept before. Answer the question. Here are the categories of products: bedrooms, dining chairs, dining tables, etc. We go a little bit deeper. We say show products by categories. And now we can see all the different types of bedroom sets that we've got. Page 2, page 3, dining chairs, etc. Kids, etc. Right? Kitchens, and so on. Right? Now at the bottom, we're also displaying actually the SQL commands we generated to get the exact right report. Echo is a midway point between English and SQL that takes that English statement and shows us something a little bit more complex, but nowhere near as complex as SQL. So let's ask a more interesting question. Let's say show bedroom sales by state. And now we can see all the bedroom sales by state. If we want to do a deep dive, it's as simple as clicking on California. Now we can see all the sales in the different cities within California. All right. Let's ask a very difficult question now. Let's ask who bought tables but not chairs? That's a not clause question, and that's a very difficult question to answer. And as you can see down below, if we click on SQL, you see all this complex SQL that we generated to answer that question. But that's the beauty of Query. While being incredibly easy and intuitive, it's also incredibly complex in understanding exactly how to get to the right result. So please view our mobile voice user experience video as well. We've created a perfect smartphone app that is a mobile front end for Query. It's mobile, it's voice enabled, and it's perfectly accurate. Thanks for watching.